Hey everyone, Crew Farang here. We're going to Laos today, so we're going to cross the border from Ubon to Paxi to see some waterfalls, go zip lining and see some temples. Let's go.
Okay, Mike.
So we've just got to the bus station on the border. We need to go to immigration first to get a stamp in our passport, and then we can get another van into Paxi. So that van only took about an hour and a half from Ubon to the border, and it was actually quite a nice drive, some nice views. But in typical Thai fashion, it started raining. Well, thankfully it stopped. Next stop, Paxi.
See, you want to walk inside?
So this tunnel means you have crossed the border from Thailand to Laos.
What time is it now?
We are in Laos. So I just got through the border into Laos. It's quite a smooth transfer.
Do you know how to say like hi in Lao?
No, do you?
Yes.
Go on.
Sabadi.
Oh,
Yeah.
so it's the same as Thai.
Same but
Same
different.
thing.
Because in Thai it's like Sawadee
Yeah.
ka. But
But
here
Sabadi.
Sabadi.
How are you?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we learn something new every day.
So they said that like they're ready for like people to turn up, and if you want to share like the truck, that one, the gray one,
Okay.
they're going. I don't know if we could just
So we can either share the truck for 200 baht. Is it 200 baht each or
are
200
they
lao?
going that one? Because they say like the gray one. I don't know which
know.
gray.
Yeah, it's a bit confusing this when you turn up. There's just lots of cars
I don't see any song
everywhere. There's no song towel, no.
That's why he asked us like if we want to like taxi for like 1,000 baht.
Unless he was just scamming us,
I know.
which might look that way. Yeah, everything was a smooth transition. The exchange rate was like very close. It didn't
Oh, that
cost us
one,
like
that one?
17 baht
That one, I guess.
for when we transferred 10,000. But now we're struggling on where to
มี
go
สองแถวไหม
to get into Paxi. So we're not sure what's going on here. I'll keep you updated. So we finally found a van. It was just the two of us in there, and it cost us 550 baht, which I didn't think was too bad for a 45-minute journey. So this was Haven Guest House. It was right in the middle of Paxi, and it only cost us 1,719 baht for 4 nights. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, but a very nice hotel. The owner, who was showing us to our room, was absolutely wonderful, very helpful, very accommodating. I would 100% recommend staying at this hotel. Yeah, this one's nice.
ชอบไหมฝึกพูดไทยอยู่
We had a beef, broth and rice, only 350 baht at the accommodation. And then the auntie who works there, she came and gave us a beer. This is a beer Lao beer. It's similar to a Chang or a Singer in Thailand. Go and try it, see what you think. Cheers.
He doesn't like beer.
Beer's disgusting. Nope. How can anybody like beer? Really?
Just you?
Like, no, nobody can like beer. Nobody can like that taste. It's disgusting.
I'll take it.
I know I'm like the weirdest Englishman, not liking beer, not liking tea and coffee, but
Stop being so
nobody
dramatic about it.
can like beer.
Everyone drinking one, so like, shh.
So as you can see, this is the main road. This is quite smooth, this is nice drive here. But it's as you get to Hua Kong and you turn off the main road that you end up on this dusty path. And it gradually just gets worse and worse. More potholes, more mud. And lanes become irrelevant at this point. People are just trying to drive wherever they can because they don't want to come off, they don't want to end up in these big ditches. So please be careful when you are on this road. But apparently this is nowhere near as bad as the other road that Google will take you down. So you are better off using this one, just please be careful. This is the walk down to the waterfall. So there are quite a lot of steps to go down, and there are areas where you can stop and have a rest if needed. Please be careful when using these steps, as I did see someone slip. Thankfully they were okay. It was definitely worth the walk. Having fun?
All wet.
อยากหลับตาแล้วถึงห้องเลยโอ้แรงแซงเลย
As you can see from the video, there is a lot of mist that comes from the waterfall. So be prepared to get wet. And if you go down the steps close to the waterfall, you will get absolutely soaked. So take some spare clothes or do what we did. We took waterproof jackets, waterproof pants, and that's what kept us dry. Good morning and welcome to day 3 in Paxi, Laos. Today we are going on the zip line. And just a recap of day 2, we went to Tad Fane Waterfall. Now there are 2 ways to get to the waterfall. The first way is the way that Google Maps will take you. So it'll take you along the main road, and then when you turn right, it will apparently take you to what is an absolutely horrendous road. And the second option is going the way we went, which is to use Google Maps to get you to Hua Kong, then reset your Google Maps to Tad Fane Waterfall and follow it that way. Now that road is still extremely bad. It's bumpy, it's muddy, It's slippery and you could easily slip, come off the bike and end up in a massive puddle. Don't ask me how I know that. So I would definitely recommend setting off earlier. We ended up setting off late because we had problems with the bike. Set off at least 8 AM, or go with the tour, or third, stay in accommodation near there, even if it's just for one night. But avoid at all costs coming back later, because when it's dark you don't see the dips in the road. 1 minute it's smooth, next minute these potholes everywhere. So really avoid coming back at night. When you get into the main city where we are, there are street lights, but we had power cuts in the entire city, so yes, extremely dark. Please avoid night. Now we're going to go to the zip line and another waterfall, so join us for day number 3.